Okay, so now we're gonna grab our yarn, open our decorative hearts, and start the process. You'll be seeing on the video what I'm doing, so it's very easy and explanatory. So just keep on watching. And this is how it's supposed to look. Very pretty. And we're just gonna finish with the rest of the hearts and keep the DIY going. Also, I forgot to mention that on the back here, what I did is I grabbed the glue gun and I just glue gun it so it stays and it doesn't fall off. Here I'm just gonna grab my piece of yarn. It could be yarn, it could be a twine, it could be anything you wanna use to pin them. And I'm just showing you here that I'm using the back of let's just say the not so pretty one. And I'm just attaching them. I also glue gun them in place. If you don't want to do that, so you can move them around, that's up to you. But this is how And here is my garland heart made with yarn. Hope you guys enjoy it and give it a try. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you guys in the next one.